Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Rain, and for today's video, we're finally doing the giveaway. I know I promised the giveaway once I reach my 1,000 subscribers on my last video, but for some reason we're on 6,000 now, and I'm really happy that we finally reached something bigger. So what I'm planning on giving out is a pen pal letter, since my first couple of videos were actually on about letters, stationery, bullet journal, taking notes, and so yeah. So what I'm planning on giving is something similar to like a booklet kind of letter. So something like this, and yeah. So this was supposed to be for one of my pen pal, but I actually stopped doing pen pal 6 months ago, and I kind of feel bad I haven't sent this out because I really am really busy. So this is one of the envelopes I made on my recycle envelope tutorial, and this is how the letter would look like. So it would have extra stuff like poetry, and then extra stuff, ta-da, and then it's just some art stuff, and this is actually the letter, but we can't let that be read, and then things like that, ta-da, and then the extra stuff. And of course, I am sending a letter, but I am also sending stationery. I went to shop them yesterday, and I'm so excited to give them out. So I am choosing 2 winners in a span of 3 weeks. And here are the other prizes that you'll be getting. The first thing that I'll be sending out is a paper cutter, since this will be very helpful with your decorating bullet journal or your pen pal letters, since you're gonna get an even cut in all your papers. And this is just an average gold pen. Also, I am sending out a brush pen, since brush pen is a very quite common thing in stationery. And this really adorable Chiyogami paper. These are really cute with really cute design. You could use this to decorate anything that you want to decorate. Notebooks. Yes, I am sending out 2 notebooks, and these notebooks are really good. I actually use this for some of my classes, and what I like this about this notebook is it doesn't bleed through, unlike others. And lastly, I'll be sending out these really adorable erasers. These are ramen noodles erasers. So I got most of these at Daiso. So if you're from an area where there's a Daiso nearby, I would say that you can probably get all this stuff by yourself, and the only thing you'll probably be getting is the personalized letter that I'll be sending out. But if you're from an area where there is no Daiso nearby, I would suggest to use this opportunity to join this giveaway so that you'll get all these good stationery goods. And these are really good because if you're from an area where there is not that much stationery nearby, this will be very beneficial in your stationery life. So since we like being an art hoe, this is how you'll win the giveaway. So you just need to answer 2 questions. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or anything. Like, I mean, like, that would be great if you follow me, but you don't really have to in order to win this giveaway. First, you need to answer 2 questions, and you can just answer it down below in the comment section. First question is, why do flowers bloom? And then second question is, why do the clouds cry? And this is an open question, so there is no right and no wrong answers, and you can just answer them the way you want them to. And yeah, in a span of 3 weeks, I'll be choosing 2 winners randomly, and yeah, I don't know what to say anyway. And hopefully everybody like joins this giveaway since I'm excited to give them out. And I'm just hoping not a lot of people would kind of like do it, since I would have to input all the names manually, and yeah, that's gonna take a lot of work. And good luck, and see y'all next time. Bye.